Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the Windows automatic updates on your Windows 11 computer permanently. So this is rather easy. Now go to the Start button and right click on it, and then go to Run and select this. Then this little box will open up, and go to where it says Open, and type in this, services.msc. Services.msc. And then go to OK, and this little window will appear now, and I will make it large screen right here. And then when you press W, you'll be brought to the W section and look for Windows Update, and I can see it all the way here at the bottom. Now right click on it, and then go to Properties. Then on this little window, go to Startup Time, and it should say Manual right now. Switch this over to Disabled. Then you can press OK or Apply. So this is how you can disable it if you want to permanently disable it. Let's go to step number 2. So let's go back to the Windows Start button, right click on it, and then go to Run. And then type in this little box. Once again, we want to type in REG Edit. REG Edit. And then press Enter. Then go to Yes for the permission. Now this is the registry editor, and we want to go to where it says HKey Local Machine. Then go to Software. Then under Software, we want to go to Policies and expand this, and then locate Microsoft, and we can expand this, and then locate Windows Update under here. So I can see it says AU in the Windows Update folder now. So if you do not have an AU folder, what you want to do is select Windows Update, right click on it, and then go to New, and go to Key. And this should create another folder. And then simply rename it AU. Then you can simply rename it right here by right clicking on it. Now I already did something with this folder. It says no auto reboot with logged on users. Now what I want to do is right click in this folder, the AU folder, and go to DWORD 32-bit value and select this. And it says new value number 1. Rename this. So I'm going to delete this and rename it no auto update, just like this. So once we have no auto update typed in, let's double click on it, and then go to where it says value data, and we want to switch this to 1, just like this, and then go to OK. If you don't do this, it won't take effect, so you have to switch the value to 1 and press OK. You should be good to go. Restart your computer and you shouldn't have any updates now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.